Hello dear students, today we are starting new model 8, Our Neighborhood. Open your books at page 87. Let's start with vocabulary. Shops. Listen and repeat. What are these words in our language?
Bakery, chemists, post office, bank, jewellers, clothes shop, florists, sports shop, opticians, bookshop, newsagents, music shop, supermarket.
Now, you are to name one thing you can buy or do in each shop. Let's listen to the examples.
You can buy aspirin at a chemist's.
You can buy bread at a bakery.
You can buy stamps at a post office.
You can buy foreign currency at a bank. You can buy a gold ring at a jeweller's.
You can buy trousers at a clothes shop.
You can buy flowers at a florist's. You can buy football boots at a sports shop.
You can buy glasses at an optician's.
You can buy books at a bookshop.
You can buy magazines at a newsagent's.
You can buy musical instruments at a music shop.
You can buy food at a supermarket.
Now let's look at prepositions next to, near, behind, in front of, between, above, opposite. In exercise 2, you are to use these prepositions to ask for and give directions as in the example.
Excuse me, where's the bakery?
It's on Apple Street next to the chemist's. Excuse me, where's the chemist's?
It's on Apple Street, next to the bakery. Excuse me, where's the post office?
It's on Apple Street next to the bank.
Excuse me, where's the bank?
It's on Harper Street opposite the jewellers.
Excuse me, where's the jeweller's?
It's on Apple Street next to the clothes shop.
Excuse me, where is the clothes shop?
It's on Apple Street, next to the jewellers.
Excuse me, where's the florist's?
It's on Apple Street, behind the sports shop. Excuse me, where's the sports shop?
It's on Apple Street between the florists and the opticians.
Excuse me, where is the opticians?
It's on Milton Street, in front of the sports shop.
Excuse me, where's the bookshop?
It's on Park Street, opposite the newsagents.
Excuse me, where is the newsagent's?
It's on Apple Street, behind the music shop.
Excuse me, where is the music shop?
It's on Apple Street between the supermarket and the newsagents. Excuse me, where's the supermarket?
It's on Apple Street, in front of the music shop.
And now let's open your books at page 88. Exercise 1. Twin cities. Look at the pictures and read the title and the instruction. What do you think each place is like? How do they differ? Let's discuss.
Verona, USA is small and quiet. Verona, Italy is large and cosmopolitan.
Now let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them and write down in your vocabularies.
Bridge,
city walls,
cosmopolitan, cozy, hiking, nature lover, Palace.
Picturesque.
Serve. Trail.
Tree-lined.
Trendy. Tower.
And now let's read the text and watch the video.
Twin cities. Often around the world there are places that have the same name. Let's look at two cities that share a name but are very different. One is a modern town only 160 years old. The other an ancient city which was built 2,000 years ago. One is home to a few thousand families and nature lovers, while the other is home to a rich history, culture, and energetic lifestyle. Verona, Wisconsin, USA. The city of Verona is a very small, picturesque city located in the south of Wisconsin. There are many quiet neighborhoods and tree-lined streets there. There are a lot of parks to relax in and great trails for hiking and cycling. There are no tall buildings, just pretty houses with big gardens. In the summer, people go swimming in the huge lakes near the town, and in the winter they can go ice skating on the lakes. In the city centre, there are some very nice clothes shops. There are also nice local restaurants and cozy cafes around the town. Verona, Italy. The ancient city of Verona is situated by the Adige River in the north of Italy. It is a large cosmopolitan city. Verona is famous for its ancient city walls, towers, bridges and palaces. Thousands of tourists walk around the narrow streets in the summer. They can shop in the fashionable boutiques and at the local markets. They can even see Juliet's balcony. Verona was the home of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Verona is an exciting city for both locals and tourists. Which Verona would you like to visit?
In exercise 2, you are to mark the statements as true, false, or doesn't say. Now let's check. Verona is a state in the USA. It is false because it is a town in the state of Wisconsin. It is a quiet town. It is true. It is great for people who love the outdoors. It is also true. Hotels there are expensive. There is no information in the text, that's why it doesn't say. Verona in Italy is a historic city. It is true. According to the text, it is the ancient city. Not many people visit it. It is false. Because in summer there are thousands of tourists. Restaurants only serve local dishes. It is false. They serve local or international dishes. Nightlife there is boring. It is false. Because there are trendy nightclubs. What is the author's purpose?
The author's purpose is to inform readers about two cities with the same name that are very different.
Now you are to fill in cozy, tree-lined, local, cosmopolitan, ancient, nature, and clothes. Now let's check and listen.
Tree-lined streets. Clothes shops. Local restaurants. Cozy cafes. Cosmopolitan city. Ancient city walls. Nature lovers.
You are to make sentences using them. Imagine you could live in any of the two places. Which city would you choose? Why? You are to use the phrases below to say or write a few sentences. Let's listen to the example.
Verona, USA is quiet, but Verona, Italy is busy. Verona, USA has lot of parks and tree-lined streets, but Verona, Italy has lot of towers, bridges and palaces. Verona, USA is for nature lovers, but Verona, Italy is a cosmopolitan city. Verona, USA is a modern city, but Verona, Italy has still got its ancient city walls. Both cities have nice clothes shops and local restaurants. Not many people live in Verona, USA, but a lot of people live in Verona, Italy, and thousands of tourists visit every year. I would live in Verona, USA because I like quiet neighborhoods. It would be nice to be close to nature. I would live in Verona, Italy because I like big cities. It would be nice to have an exciting lifestyle.
In exercise 3, we are going to speak about places in a city. You have to match the places to the signs. Let's check. Library is C. Street A. Playground D. Aquarium E. School B. Shops and products. Exercise 4. Where would you hear the following sentences? Match them to the shops. Let's check. Biscuits are in aisle 12. G. Supermarket. I'd like a bunch of tulips, please. F. Florists. Do these trousers come in blue? D. Clothes shop. Have you got the latest watch? C. News agents. How much is that silver chain in the window? H. Jewelers. Are those cakes freshly baked? E. Bakery. Would you like milk with your tea, sir? A. Cafe. Can I have a kilo of minced beef, please? B. Butchers. In exercise 5, you have to name the places in the pictures. Number 1. Butchers. Number 2. Clothes shop. And the last, chemists. Now let's listen to 3 dialogues. In which of the places does each take place?
What can I do for you, madam?
I'll take this and a large chicken, please.
Certainly. That's £11 altogether, please.
Here you are.
2.
Can I help you?
Yes. Can you give me something for a headache?
Of course. How about this? It contains paracetamol.
Thank you. How much is it?
3.
Do you like these? Yes, I do. What size are they?
They're a medium.
Great. I think I'll try them on.
Picture A. The first dialogue.
What can I do for you, madam?
I'll take this and a large chicken, please.
Picture B. Dialogue 3.
Can I help you?
Yes. Can you give me something for a headache?
And picture C. Dialogue 2.
What size are they?
They're a medium.
I think I'll try them on.
In exercise 6, you are to act out a similar dialogue for another shop. Let's listen to the models.
How can I help you?
I'd like a bunch of roses, please.
Certainly.
How can I help?
Do you have these shoes in a size 6?
Yes, here you are.
Linkers. In exercise 7, you are to read the sentences and translate.
There are many tall buildings in New York, whereas in Dublin, most buildings only have a few stories. There aren't any supermarkets in the village, but there are 2 small greengrocers and a baker's.
The town is very far from the sea. However, it has a great public swimming pool.
Now you are to read the text again and compare the 2 cities. You are to use whereas, however, but. Let's listen to the model.
Verona in Wisconsin is a small city, whereas Verona in Italy is a large cosmopolitan city. There aren't any tall buildings in Verona, USA, but there are pretty houses with big gardens. Verona in Italy is an ancient city. However, it has a lot of trendy nightclubs and cafes.
And your task is exercise 8. You are to write a short paragraph comparing two towns, city or village, to Verona, Italy. Think about streets, parks, shops, markets, buildings, houses, restaurants. Now let's listen to the example.
I live in Astana. It is a large cosmopolitan city in Kazakhstan. It's famous for its modern buildings. It has got lots of shops and restaurants as well as parks, palaces and theatres. Astana is very different from Verona, Italy.